Okay, long time no IG live. So, plano ko ngayon is mag-live lang for like a few minutes. Dahil inaayos ko ngayon yung Spotify playlist ko. And I gusto lang mag-update sa inyo for 5 minutes of my time. Okay, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Hello, yes. Hi, Fresh Bell. Hope that you're well and safe. Actually, tong specs na to, nalimutan ko yung brand. Pero nakita ko to. Online, somewhere online. Nalimutan ko yung brand. Yes! Nag-post ako ng TikTok. Dahil di ko kinaya yung episode 14 of Queen of Tears. Yeah! So ngayon patapos na yung pag-ayos ko ng playlist ko sa Spotify. Hello to the best kuya out there, Kuya Rain. Yeah, siguro I will end this live in 5 minutes at 10:30. Just want to say hello to everyone. It's your age. Kumain ka na. Yes, Miss Shan, Queen of Tears. Anyway, everything's been good. Twice a week nag-workshop ako dahil inuulit ko, I'm preparing for a special something para sa inyong lahat. Yes, slowly but surely I'll be back. Actually sure na yun, pero we'll get there. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang yung workout ko. I met some great people recently, the past 4 months. And naging active yung lifestyle ko sa pag-gym, sa pagtakbo. So yeah. Last day ng midterm namin. Huwag ka tamarin. Last day na ng midterm mo. Good luck. Sino ba na-comment doon? Twinny. Good luck. Ayun. 3 minutes na lang. Hi, Ate Monique. Here in UAE, Les. Hi, Les. I'm good. Monday, workout, workshop. Yan yung Monday ko. Soon to graduate. Boss Kurt. Congrats. Good luck. Take care of your studies. Importante yun. Hi, Africa. How many degrees? 23, tama. Not too hot, not too cold. Okay, we only have 2 minutes left. Am I still in school? Yes. 4th year in college. Hello, Ate Win. See you next week. Next week na ba yun? Next week. I believe next week. So yeah, gusto lang i-update na I opened a broadcast channel so I can get closer to you guys and update you guys then. Any advice for someone's going to college? Ang pinaka-importante sa college ay enjoy mo yung first year mo. Yung freshman year mo, i-enjoy mo. And mahirap ang buhay. Pagbutihin mo yung ACADS mo. But of course, don't forget to find the silver lining and have fun. And isipin mo na lang na blessing din yun. Nakapasok ka ng college and may education ka. Okay, it's 10:30. It's 10:30, guys. Yeah, dapat masaya lang. Tama. Always. Masaya. Totoo. And live peacefully. May blue hearts for life. Na all nag-college. Sana all nga. Patapos pa lang. Tinigil pa. Busy kasi. Alright. It's time to end this live. Yes, masaya ako. Again, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Alright, bye-bye guys. Good night.